The classic Iron Elegance wall clock is not just a timepiece, it's a tribute to the relentless pursuit of excellence. It's designed to be the crown jewel of your space, be it the modern sophistication of a South Sea apartment or the professional backdrop of an office in Parklands. Fashioned from premium iron, this wall clock exudes a bold presence with its minimalist design, serving as a reminder of your aspirations and the preciousness of time. Its silent mechanism ensures a tranquil ambience, allowing you to focus on your goals without distraction. As the hands move with quiet determination, let it inspire you to move through your day with the same purpose and poise. Imagine this stunning piece on your wall, an artful representation of time that never goes out of style. Elevate your decor with the classic Iron Elegance wall clock, and let it be a daily motivation that in every tick there's potential for success. Order now and transform your space into a gallery of inspiration.